Well, hello. Rod, Broken Nickel Garage, your wrenches and wilderness guy. I'm bringing a new product that's new to me. This ETENWOLF Vortex S6. We'll be doing a review, an unboxing, initial review, and impression. We'll do a quick test run, and we will talk about this thing. You can see it's got a pretty nice case. Might even be reflective print, I'm not sure. USB C to C port, and a click-on tire chuck with an air release, a 110 AC plug-in adapter for the USB with a 45 watt output, so that's a high output charger. Of course, the trusty quick guide, the instruction manual, comes with a certificate of calibration. Packing styrofoam. It's definitely, they packaged it really nice. Alright. Look, in the back side does come with 3 adapters. Looks like for your typical basketball, football, inflatables. A cone adapter for inflating maybe pool toys. And then what looks like kind of like a Schrader valve adapter. Yeah. Inflate port for inflating your whatever you're airing up. And then a deflate so you can actually pull air out of something. That might be handy dealing with larger pool toys and inflatables. So this hose is flexible. This would be the hose you'd use to inflate an air mattress or pool toy or a raft. Put it in the tool and you can lock it in place. It just locks in. Now I would be ready to inflate inflatable kayak if I had an inflatable kayak. Yeah, it's actually a pretty nice, it doesn't feel like a cheap hose. It's got a nice rubber material to it. I thought it'll hold up pretty well. This is actually the 3rd ETENWOLF product I've had, and my first 2 I have no complaints. Got good rubber feet on the bottom, and on the back side you've got a USB output so you can charge your phone, and then the input for charging is the USB-C. The start on power, I don't know if you can read this in the bright daylight, but it does have a full battery charge. You've got your mode function button and the light function, which won't look impressive in the daylight, but I believe it's 1,000 lumens. You can switch from units, and the light has different modes, and you can set this into an emergency mode, SOS. It's a standard worldwide known flash code for emergency. Well, what I like is you got 7 modes that you could just flip through. So you got your full on, full power, no shutdown. You just click through it. What I think is a great feature is this is your dial to adjust your pressures. And it has a memory. So you have your light button to activate your light and change your light modes. Start, pause. This is your mode select between the 7 different options of modes you have. And then you can switch between your different pressure units. I think it's time to make a flat tire on old Whistling Dixie here. So since I do not have a real flat tire, I'm going to make a flat tire. So I have a tool, it's made by ARB. It's a thread-on deflator. It's awesome. Then we'll pull the collar up. So you have 2 choices to attach to your valve stem. Threaded collar on the end of the hose will thread on to your valve stem. And you can air it up just like that. Or if you prefer, you can use the quick chuck, locking coupler, and it just threads on. We'll use the light truck setting. I'm going to leave it at 32 psi, and I sure like this dial. It's quick, it's easy, and it took us right to 32 psi. And before it gets to the cutoff, the compressor will slow down. You'll hear an audible, distinctive change in the sound. Initial impression of the Vortex S6. Good impression. I give it a thumbs up so far. If it's as good as the other two pumps I already have, I'm going to be very pleased with this. As you saw, I completely deflated one tire down to 5 psi. Aired that back up to 32. That's a pretty big tire. These are 32 inch or 33 inch tires, 12.5 wide. Then I adjusted the other 3 tires from about 27 psi up to 32. And I still have 3 bars of battery life. So the battery is really rock solid in this. This is definitely a pump that will be in my Overland kit of my trucks. Here, I wouldn't hesitate. And for the price, I mean, check it out. I'll put links down below in my Amazon affiliate link. It's a rock solid pump. But I do have to admit, because I don't know if I did earlier, ETENWOLF did send this pump to me for me to do a review and get my opinion and share with you. I think right now when I looked, at it on I think the price is around $125 for this pump. You got to be cautious. Well, I wouldn't say cautious, just be warned. There are 2 different S6 models. One with a smaller battery, and then this one. It's only like a $20 difference for the larger, higher output battery. But yeah, this is a good little pump. I'm quite thrilled. And I look forward to actually putting this through some paces and using it and abusing it.